in injection well or producer both? Any
No,
criteria?
producer well. Producer well.
Okay. Producer, normally we have the two type of well. One is hips and one is non-hips. So hips well we have the SDVs, but non-hips we don't have the SDV. Only there is two number valve.
Yeah, this is taken into consideration while making the PNID. There are three types defined in the PNID. One is without hips, the other is with hips, but in that case, in that particular type, the flow meter is going to get installed downstream of hips SDVs. And the third case is where hips is there, but the flow meter is going to get installed upstream of SDV. So there are three cases, one without hips, one with hips, with flow meter downstream, and the third with hips but flow meter upstream of SDV. These three cases are there.
Correct.
Okay, so I mean this is really critical. So I want to take and propose one recommendation: ensure the venting and purging provision of the line downstream of SDV, right, to the affected wells. To the wells. Okay, no, that's okay. I think this is clear. And do you anticipate hot welding? I mean hot work, or you are going to have the flange joint of the this meter?
No, hot work will be required. Welding is required because tine is welded.
Hot work is anticipated in the feed phase.
Or piping tines.
And Santosh, I guess existing piping section will also get demolished, right?
Yes, correct.
Yes.
Okay, now one point, Santosh and team, when we are saying individual well, so there is some possibility you are going to work on the well pad where you are going to work on one well and other wells are under working condition. So there will be some CMOPs and there will be some control and prohibition will be there. So are there some situation where you have the well where you are working and there are some running wells?
I actually these wells are not near to each other, correct, Norman? Individual wells are separated out with the fencing and all these things.
Yes, we have separate. For all these wellheads, there are basically single producing wells for these facilities. So this individual flow line is basically unique to every facility.